Eddie New here with M&R Electric. We're here today in Wildcat Canyon. This is a beautiful place. These people just purchased this home about 5 months ago. They spoke with their neighbors and they were hearing that the power might go out once in a while, especially in the wintertime. Today we have a Guardian generator by Generac, and this is a 14 kW. And this is your mid-range generator, mid-size and mid-output. This will supplement their necessities, keep them power to their refrigerators, their heaters, keep their food cold and keep themselves warm. This is probably a 4,000, 5,000 square foot home. So based on the size of your home and based on the needs that you feel are necessary, we will size that generator appropriately to meet those needs. Typically there's a 2-day turnaround. The electrical will come in, we'll get the system set up, integrated into the old system. That way we can make that smooth transition. And then the second day we can have plumbing come in and get the gas lines hooked up and make those connections to where we're safe. And then that second day we'll run a startup test and do a loss of power test as well. So it'll show how fast and how that works once you actually do have an emergency. It will work. As soon as power is lost to your home, it'll give you about a 30 to 60 second time frame before you actually see power return from your generator. That window gives you time for the utility to maybe come back on. That way you're not switching back and forth and having those hard starts on the system. And that protects your sensitive appliances within the home from being damaged. So we have our main electrical panel located on the home here. And this is your backup panel. So this will transfer power to here, and this will feed power back into the house. Once it realizes power is going to be out for an extended period of time, within that 30 to 60 seconds, it'll decide to kick on, and then it'll switch over full power to that generator, and you'll see things come back on. We have the manufacturer's warranty. Depending on which model you get and whatnot, that's 5 to 10 years. We will service the units ourselves as well. We can get you on a program where we can yearly come and test the unit, do the oil changes, filters, those things. And we will also set the unit to run. We can do a weekly or a monthly cycle to keep that unit healthy. If they were to sit for an extended period of time without running, the fluids start to come down, gravity does its thing, and that's not good for the components inside. They need to be lubricated. That keeps things healthy, just like your heart pumps the blood throughout your body. That's what that does inside that motor. Call M&R today and we'll get you on the schedule. We'll come to your home and assess your situation and get you moved forward with emergency backup power.